Hi, I'm Richard from Tiger Group, which encompasses Tiger Law and Tiger HR, and I'm responsible for the employment side of the business. And I just thought it would be useful to talk about a dynamic that I've noticed over the years as being an employment lawyer and looking at the cases I've been involved in. And something I'd often ask myself is how and why did a workplace problem that began quite small in the early stages get to the point where someone felt they needed to litigate against their employer? And it's quite an interesting human dynamic. And when I look at those cases I've been involved in, it seems to be a very simple point in each and every time. And that is that in the early stages, there will typically be a couple of warning signs to tell you, the manager, that one of your employees might not be feeling themselves. So maybe there's a bit of lateness, some performance issues, possibly a bit of absence, or maybe they're just a bit quieter and more withdrawn than normal. But typically what managers do at that moment in time, when they notice those small signs, is ignore it. Hope it goes away, hope the problem will improve by itself. But my experience shows me that that very rarely happens. And what will normally happen is that that individual who's feeling less good about themselves, less comfortable at work, they'll be thinking about the problem. And over time, it grows, builds, develops, and gets more complicated. During that period of time, that individual might even be noticing a few more things in the workplace that they're unhappy with. So my advice, very simple advice, although it seems, is to just step in earlier. And it's something I talk to managers a lot about. As soon as you notice, as soon as you have that sense of disquiet that something's not quite right about an individual, have a conversation with them, walk towards them, ask them if they're okay. It seems like a very small, simple step, but it does make a huge difference if individuals feel that firstly their manager is noticing that there might be a problem, and secondly that there is enough empathy, that they care and show enough interest to step in and have that initial conversation. Again, a lot of this comes back to the soft skills, the human side of the workplace, and here at Tiger HR, Tiger Law, we're able to help upskill managers to make them feel confident, to give them the tools and feel able to walk towards those conversations at an early enough stage, and also to really understand and identify what those early warning signs look for so they know what those indicators are. So hopefully you found that useful. Thanks very much for watching.